well, I think I need to remove this whole unit here. I might even include this. It's all got to come out. Well, I'm sure. I'm not sure I can do it from the front here. Maybe the screws come out the back. Oh boy. Screw here and a screw here. One here. Say that screw there is coming in from behind. How come I didn't see that? On the bottom and the center. So that screw was actually turned, it was actually undone, just sitting in the hole. So, I'm back here. The screws are out. Whatever screws there are. So, try and get this black piece to come forward. And identify. It's screwed to here, screwed to here, screwed here. Maybe pull this whole unit out of there. I think this one screw out for sure. Ooh, jeepers, that didn't sound too good. I think this one would come out too. I'm not sure. Bottom. There we go. Always a lot better when you have a manual. Hey, look at that. Some bad sounds there. That's far enough. That's far enough. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, that's interesting. So this control is just moving an ordinary 3-position slide switch, which for sure I can nail with some cleaner. Not so sure the one inside was in trouble. The other one, the rotating one, I mean. So let's blast away here. so you get the maximum effect. I think I want to tip this upwards. You know what? I can use this. Oh yeah. Hold it for it. I forgot this board was loose down here. Can't really pull off what I'm trying here, so let's not. Operate the set like this. Let's see. We have the meter disconnected. That probably doesn't really matter. Front panel. It's touching these things. These are some buttons. Okay. Yeah, I think we can operate the radio like this. Particularly bad going on. Oh, let's clean the, let's not just do this one. Yeah, we really do need to operate this. Verify that this cleaning is working. There we are. Let's get a little volume here. Oh yeah. Nothing going on now with the volume. That one's still not happy. Trouble control here. Going very happily.
Glasses and contacts.
We're on short wave now. Oh yeah, I disconnected the antenna. That's right, so we are antenna free here. But at least we can see the numbers. Okay, so you can see the numbers. 8021. See, they're working now. Not this one. Seven, 17. So that should be 17. And 27. Needs a little more cleaner. Still shows the wrong note. 17, 7, 17, 27. What is that? It's the mode switch. Oof, that's a dirty guy. That could be a problem. Big pop. I don't see the switch. Right over here, maybe. Let's see. Well, I don't think that's a dirty switch. Okay, now I'm going to blast the same switch now with some very volatile contact cleaner. Just does not want to go properly on the higher band. there's 29. What do you think that might be? Contact cleaner seemed to really help. That's a little bit's good, more must be better. It's definitely getting better. Now, let's get these other ones here. These guys here. Don't see where to. Yeah, don't see where to spray it in there. I get it inside here, but it's a tiny hole there. Very good. 9, 19, 29. Voila. Okay, now back to this meter problem. Back to the meter problem. Hi everybody, here's something a little bit interesting to take a look at.
Here is the growth reading International.
Welcome to the cooking show with me in
the stronger the signal, the lower this meter reads. Tune it off the station. So it sits. That might make sense if somehow the real meter was scaled in reverse, but it's not either. So I don't get that. It doesn't, I don't know, I don't get it. But nevertheless, at least it shows you can have a meter working on this radio if we had a meter that did work, because this guy was shot.
Rinse it well in water to wash away the
Also, the
probably subfinite.
radio seems to be working quite fine.
You buy guys out will you escape the damnation of hell.
Verse 9, not according to the covenant that I made with their fathers, in the day when I took them by the hand to lead them out of the land of Egypt.
I think it's a little damaged myself.
Let's go.
Because they continued not in my covenant, that I regarded them
Working
not,
good though.
saith the Lord.
I'm gonna put it back together. Clean it up and put it back together. See what we got. Okay, so I've just been doing the final cleanup, and time to put this back on and resolder these connections. There we go. Don't want to push down very hard. Have the radio just on its face like this. Well, I'm not sure why this was considered difficult to service. I've done far far harder things than this. Pretty excited to check this radio out and see how well it works now. I'm going to put it up against my Hammerland and Collins. Turn it upside down, I can see spots I didn't clean. Center. Looks good. All the screws are in. There we go. Still pretty bad in there. Okay, and here's the finished radio after being cleaned up.
Russell now also being investigated for alleged economic crimes. Shanghai Daily headline: woman fends off robber. A young saleswoman in Shanghai managed to fight off a knife-wielding attacker who attempted to rob her shoe store over the weekend. 25-year-old suffering bruises to her hands and head. 46-year-old suspect from Guangdong now in custody. Lucy Dew joins me on the desk. She's been reading through the papers on this Monday morning. Good morning to you, Lucy.
Good morning, Paul. China Daily headline: end of Laojiao to take time. Now, of course, as part of the reform pledges of the CPC's third plenum, Laojiao, the re-education system, is being scrapped. But sort of the latest advice from officials is that this move can come no earlier than late December, when the government would have to issue new rules on how to handle.
Even his eternal power and Godhead, so that they are without excuse, because that when they knew
So
God,
unfortunately the meter is not going to work, of course. It's shot. And we'll go to FM. Separate pin for FM.
Flex, Joey DeFrancesco, and the Jazz Body and November 25th. Your tickets at 416-595-0404 or at jazz.fm.
Join the conversation. Share and connect. The Jazz FM 91 social network. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Jazz FM 91.
Yeah, it's not bad sounding on FM. So that's the radio. And the only problem with this radio was cleaning contacts, in particular the large band selector here. making sure the switch it operated was cleaned. And there you are, good to go. Well, it's almost good to go. I didn't put new lights in it. So what we're going to do at some point though is I'm going to compare this to the old boat anchors, and we're just going to find out how this does really stand up in comparison to a couple other good radios. So thanks for watching the series on this radio.